Building your net worth from scratch might seem daunting at first, but it's entirely achievable with the right mindset, strategies, and consistent effort. Whether you're starting with little to no savings or even debt, what matters most is the journey you're about to embark on and the steps you take to grow your wealth. Here's a guide to help you get started, packed with practical advice and unique insights. The first step to building your net worth is understanding your starting point. Many people avoid looking at their finances because they feel overwhelmed or ashamed, but awareness is power. Sit down, list all your assets, what you own, and subtract your liabilities, what you owe. The number you're left with is your current net worth. Even if it's negative, don't panic. It's just the starting line, and the only way to go from here is up. Next, commit to a habit of paying yourself first. This means before paying bills, buying groceries, or spending on entertainment, you set aside a portion of your income for savings or investment. Even if you can only start with $50 a month, that consistent effort builds over time. Automate this process by setting up a direct transfer to a savings or investment account so it happens without you having to think about it. Start small but dream big. Many people get discouraged because they think they need a huge salary or a massive windfall to grow their net worth. In reality, the journey begins with small, intentional actions. Cut unnecessary expenses like subscriptions you don't use or impulse purchases and redirect that money towards savings or paying off debt. Every dollar you save is a step closer to financial freedom. One of the most overlooked strategies is creating multiple streams of income. Relying solely on your day job can limit your financial growth. Explore side hustles, freelance gigs, or passive income opportunities like renting out an extra room, selling digital products, or investing in dividend-paying stocks. The goal is to diversify your income so that you're not reliant on just one source. Eliminate high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Nothing eats away at your ability to grow your net worth like credit card debt or high-interest loans. Focus on paying off these liabilities aggressively, starting with the highest interest debts first. Consider using the debt snowball or avalanche method to stay motivated and make progress faster. Once your debt is under control, the money you were using for payments can be redirected toward building wealth. Invest early and consistently, even if you don't have much to start with. Thanks to compound interest, even small investments can grow significantly over time. Start with low-cost index funds or ETFs, which are great for beginners and contribute regularly. The key is to keep your money working for you rather than letting it sit idle. Over time, your investments will become a cornerstone of your net worth. Educate yourself about money. The wealthiest people in the world didn't become rich by accident. They learned about finance, investing, and money management. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch videos, or take courses on personal finance. The more you understand how money works, the better equipped you'll be to make decisions that grow your net worth. Build an emergency fund to protect your finances. Unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss can derail your progress if you're not prepared. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This safety net will keep you from dipping into your investments or relying on credit cards in times of need. Leverage your skills to increase your earning potential. If you're in a job that doesn't pay well, consider how you can improve your skill set or switch to a higher-paying industry. Certifications, online courses, or even learning on YouTube can open up opportunities for promotions, raises, or new career paths. Think of your skills as an investment. They're one of the most valuable assets you have. Network strategically. Your net worth is often tied to the people you know and the opportunities they can help you access. Surround yourself with people who are financially savvy or share your goals. Attend networking events, join online communities, or seek out mentors who can guide you on your journey. Building relationships with the right people can open doors you didn't even know existed. Be mindful of lifestyle inflation. As you start earning more, it's tempting to upgrade your car, rent a nicer apartment, or splurge on luxury items. While treating yourself occasionally is fine, be cautious about letting your expenses grow at the same rate as your income. Instead, aim to save or invest any raises or bonuses you receive. Real estate can be a powerful tool for building net worth. If buying a home is within your reach, it can serve as both a place to live and an asset that appreciates over time. For those not ready to buy property, consider investing in REITs, real estate investment trusts, to get exposure to the real estate market without needing a large down payment. Create a financial vision board to stay motivated. Visualizing your goals can help you stay focused and committed. Include images and words that represent what financial freedom looks like to you, whether it's owning a home, traveling the world, or retiring early. Place the board somewhere you'll see it daily to remind yourself of what you're working toward. Lastly, practice patience and persistence. Building your net worth is not an overnight process, it's a marathon, not a sprint. There will be setbacks and challenges along the way, but don't let them discourage you. Celebrate small wins, keep learning, and stay committed to your goals. By following these steps, you can start building your net worth from scratch and create a solid financial foundation for the future. Remember, every big financial success story started with someone deciding to take control of their money. Why not let that be you?